topo moment. Hello and welcome. Today we are doing a fun video. This is gonna be fun. It is getting warmer. Spring is among us. Let's get ready. I'm gonna show you my products to glow, to get that body, the light hitting it, get that shimmer going, get that double look going. You know, like your décolletage is glowing, your legs, your arms, you know, everything. We're gonna be using my décolletage area today, though most of the products you can use on your arms and legs as well. We're just going to be borrowing this section of myself for the day. So yeah, let's go through and let me tell you my thoughts on each one of them. This should be fun. They're not all my favorites, trust me. Which product should we use first? I know. Let's start with some tried and trues. These are from Sol de Janeiro and we love these, okay? There's another shade that I don't have. I'm not even sure what it's called, but this bad boy right here is more of a goldy glow. This is called, you know, I'm not sure what this one is called. And I'm not sure what this one is called, but they are called Glow Motions and I am obsessed with these. You can use them as a highlighter, but obviously I'm using them for the body. This is how I put them on. Well, let me just swatch it for you first. So they are water resistant. That's one of the reasons why this is my favorite. Springtime, going into summer, you know, you got the pool, you've got all that good stuff. We need water resistant. So these are, and that really helps us out. Let's start with a little swatchy poo. So you can see this one obviously has more of a golden glow. Look how beautiful that is. Look at when the light hits it, like so gorgeous. Now let's put this one beside it. I'm gonna try not to get all that on this bottle. Let's see. This one is like that bronze goddess. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So a little bit goes a long way with these products. And you can see, like, obviously that's dark, but it will sheer out. Look at when the light hits that, y'all. Just look. Oh my gosh. So let's do her up. Wipe this off of my hand because we're gonna be swatching more. Always exciting. Now this is, I don't care what body glow product I'm using, this is the brush I'm using to put it on, okay? This is the Huda Beauty. What did I just say? This is the Huda Beauty Body Blur and Glow brush, and you can see it's very dense and it really shapes well with your body, obviously. So this is what I do. Whoop. I do a drop and just kind of go along the décolletage area like so. And I'm gonna take this brush and we're just gonna swipey, brush, swipe, move, buff, make sure there's no streaking. Not to mention this smells amazing. So I start with that amount, and if I want a slight glow, then I'll leave it like that. But just to do it up for y'all, I'm gonna show you. Gosh, this smells so good. This is honestly like a tease. Look at how pretty. Look at that. That's gorgeous. It's not chunky. It's just a nice glimmery glow, like light reflective. Just for poops and giggles, we're gonna go in with the dark one and I'll show you that it does sheer out. This brush is everything. Like, you need this brush. If you like a body glow, you need this brush in your life. And it also helps to do this in the light so you can see if there's any spots that you forgot. It's just the light reflectiveness of it all. It's gorgeous. We love. So the name of the products or the name of the colors was on the front the whole entire time. If you knew that, I'm sure you were thinking she's an idiot. Yeah, in that moment, definitely. But this one is the Copacabana Bronze, and then this one is the Goldie Rocks. They are glow oils and they're everything. They smell delish, light reflective, not chunky. Absolutely stunning. Now let's go to the next shimmer product. Just so you know, I'm not like stacking all these glow products on. Let me just show you that. I'm taking the Go Off Makeup Removing Mist. And I'll just give it all a spritz. And wipe her down. Now let's move on to the next product. Okay, so as fun as glow oils are, I kind of want to show you products that aren't oily, that aren't wet. So I do have 2 powder products that will make your body shine. These actually are going to be more of a shine than the oils. These have nice shiny pigments in them, but they do look more like an oil. These, let me show you. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder Light Catcher. So obviously it's gonna be light reflective. This one is in the shade Honey Star. And let me just show you. Obviously it has a tint to it. It is just like, formulated like her famous translucent setting powder, but look at how pretty that is. Look at how gorgeous. See that shine? And then we also have this one, which don't want to show you, but I'm going to, because it's from KKW Beauty. I don't know if this still sells. I really don't think it does. You might be able to find it on Amazon or something like that, but it's the same concept. Look at that. I mean, so gorgeous. This is in the shade Bronze, and it's the shimmer powder for face and body. So I literally, I take, this is from e.l.f. and it's the Total Face Brush, and you can see it's like a loose, kind of, it's a powdery brush. It's just loose. It's not dense at all. That's what we want when it comes to these powders, especially when you're doing it all over the body, just to get the best distribution of the product. Look at how pretty. Look at that. So that is a great option as well. Both of these. Tinted, light reflective. I mean, just that. Hit them with that shoulder glow. Blind them. Like, oh, so gorgeous. I cannot wait. And literally, like, this is enough. You can take your brush and dip it into the lid and then tap off the excess and just go to town. Your body's gonna be looking flawless out in the summer, the spring sun. We're getting a little ahead of ourselves, but I wanna be prepared. Excuse me. And the last product that I wanna show you that I absolutely love, and I use this on the tops of my cheeks as well as all over the body, is actually from Urban Decay, and it is the Naked Illuminated product. I think this one is in the shade Luminous. It's just a standard shimmering powder, but look. I mean, is that not just a big ball of beauty or what? Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. This one does have pops of glitter in there, so it's not as, I guess you would say, like smooth looking, light reflective. It's more of a glittery type glow. It's like, it's just champagne-y. It's beautiful. It's the lightest of the powder shimmers. Like, it has an impact, but it's not as like ka-chow as the other two. Still beautiful though. Absolutely stunning. Now, let's go on to, let's do a little bit of Nova Beauty. These come, you get 3 shades. There's soft gold, there's bronze, and then there's rose gold. Let me just go ahead and show you all 3 on the back of my hand. Rose gold, bronze, soft gold. These are, once again, rose gold, bronze, soft gold, and look at how beautiful. Now these are absolutely stunning, and if you really wanted to, you could just mix all 3 colors and just go crazy. Honestly, for the price point, the Nova Beauty collection, you get the most amount of sheen. We're gonna go in with soft gold. You get the most impact for the least amount of dollars. I'm gonna go in with that same Huda Beauty brush, body brush. Oops, just got my hair. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. So I highly, highly recommend the Nova Beauty one. Like, that glow is so stunning. It's flawless. That looks beautiful. It's perfect. Now, the last of my body glowing products is actually Huda Beauty. And you're going to be surprised. This is the, I'm not going to say don't get it, because once you work it correctly, and what I've learned is if you take some lotion and mix it in with this, it applies so much better. Because this is like a cream to powder product, it seems like to me. That's not what it says in the description. That's just what I'm dubbing it to be, because after working with it, it can be difficult. So let me just show you this one. I'm not sure. Oh, this one is in the shade Aphrodite. And this is the Nymph Body Highlighter, and Nymph stands for Not Your Mama's Pantyhose. That's funny. Let me just show you. That's what it looks like. So it's not even like a cream. You see, like it's just staying put. And when you rub it together, you do get this beautiful bronze goddess glow. But you can see it can kind of get, see, if you don't have a lotion with it, it can kind of get patchy. And if you rub it all over your hands, then that's what your hand looks like. So you can see I've had definitely some trial and error runs with this product. Though it is beautiful, you have to learn how to work with it. So you definitely need the brush for this. Now you can see why I would suggest putting lotion with it. Now you can see that's why I do. I'm glad I did it just to show you. I'm not hating on the product, but it does... You got to learn how to work with it. But once you get it on there, it's stunning. And honestly, surprisingly enough, but not surprising to me because this is the beauty community and how it works, this one is the most expensive of all the ones I showed you. But it's gorgeous. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching. This was fun, just trying all my body oil, body glow stuff. Let's get ready for some warmer weather. You guys are my rock stars, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.